Good morning. I am out here before it begins raining to talk about growing your own vegetables, even if it's a stinky onion root that you've cut off of the most delicious sweet onion. Okay, this is what took place about 5 days ago. I cut an onion that I wanted to use in my other video, foraging with lamb's quarters. Well, I'm getting into this, y'all. It's gonna smell. Oh, not that I don't like the smell of onions. I do. But when it's been covered, oh, would you look at that? Would you take a look at what has taken place from a simple cutting of a big old delicious sweet onion? And there it is, you all. And here comes the rain. I was about to take this over to a grow bag and put it in so that we can have this delicious sweet Vidalia onion growing for us to eat at another time. When I say us, I'm talking about me, because my dogs are not allowed to have onions, but they do live with me. But this, here comes the rain. I'm gonna have to abort the mission, maybe, or I might carry you with me to see if we can find a good little dirt pot to put this in. Let me reach down in here and get my handy dandy do-its. Okay, guys, let's walk over and see what we got. I see a couple of things happening. Yeah. Oh goodness, y'all. Maybe, wow. I thought that was hail falling. It was so loud. Okay, let's just put this little fella right here, and we will get back to it. I gotta get in the house. We don't want to get in trouble out here. Let's put this big, lovely stone right there. Gee, I'll put it right there. Oh, was that it? Is that all we got? Oh, okay. Maybe we can still do this. Okay, let's just take a look, see. I got a few bags here. I got some mushrooms. I didn't plant mushrooms, but there they are. Yeah, these are supposed to be onions. They don't look too happy. This is the Morning Glories. That looks like a good bag to put the onion in. Or this one. Let's see what we can do with it, y'all. This is my purslane. Yeah. This. Look at that Morning Glory right there. Well, it's going to get a partner. This Morning Glory is getting ready to get something growing down in there with it, because some people said that's just a weed. These little things, that's the lamb quarter. There's more lamb quarter coming up. They just grow all by themselves right up in here. But I'm going deep. I'm pulling out this feller. I'm going to walk with this feller over here, because I want to use my, I think I'll just put her right down in here. We're going to make a little spot for it right in here and let it just take root again and be real happy. I'm sorry, you probably didn't even see what I was doing, but I'm trying to get it back in the dirt, because Mama absolutely loves her Morning Glories. Now, that little quick rain was just weird. I'm just saying. Today, when I was walking my sweet Maya over here, I'm going to share this little information with you real quick. I saw this tree that is dead as a doornail, okay? There's a history and a story behind this little tree. Somebody tried to turn it into a gum tree. Look at that. This little tree got hit and was tied up trying to stay strong by an electric cord, you all. I'm just saying, this cord. It actually happened a few years ago, so it's still deep into it. I got that out, but look at here what we have. As Mama absolutely loved her morning glories, I want these morning glories to hug this tree, you all, and just get themselves into it. I'm just going to pull this right up on here so that when those morning glories start getting bigger, that's what that is too. Those are little white ones. When they start getting bigger, they can wrap themselves. And this tree's going to look pretty as a picture. See where the root of that tree went way over there and started another little tree. And that bloomed so pretty earlier. That's happening. I just did it. Let's throw this away. Watch my step. Throw this out. I got a bag right here, but I don't want that to be an onion. I don't think I want that to be an onion bag. Guys, that was the quickest little crazy rain I have ever witnessed in a bit. Okay. Hey, while we're out here, let's take a peek at these beauties getting ready to bloom. They're pink. You can see the pink coming out right there. I'm so excited about these. They come back every year. Okay, guys, I made it back. I'm not going to mess with my little lamb's quarter, and I'll be eating that another time. But this guy right here is getting ready to get down into this good old dirt. Look how wonderful and rich that dirt is right there. I don't want it to get too far in, but I do want to give it a chance, okay? To get some roots down in there. Sorry. I want it to get its roots started down in this good soft dirt. And I pray that some of that rain comes back. Now, let's get it. I'm just going to drop it down there. Turn it back over because it's mad at me. I dropped it on its head, okay? I'm just going to put a little bit of this soft dirt right in around it. You know who's going to be washing her hands real good when she gets back inside? Me. Doorbeth, that yarny zebra out here gardening a little bit. So I'm just going to get some of this good dirt, put it right in here, and cover up this part, but leave that little sprout doing its thing. See what we get, y'all. I'm excited. I'm excited about that. Yeah, it's still gonna work. There we go. I left that out. Sorry. Probably the worst filming ever. This I'll sit over here. This one right here, guys, I'll get it out and put it in a hanging basket too. Oh, I know. These morning glories can really climb, and when they do, they like to take down whatever is around them. This one's already climbing. I'm going to take it out of this pot. This one right here is getting ready to be transplanted over there so it can grow and be aggravating that tree instead of aggravating my stuff over here. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what's going to happen. You want to see something really special? Okay. It's poke salad, y'all. I'm growing poke. Right there. It's true. I'm growing poke salad. I can't hardly wait to see it. Here comes the rain again, maybe. Poke salad right there. Yep. That's what that is. I'm excited about that. I'm waiting for it to get a little bigger. And this is a gourd, y'all. Just being right happy. Put a little more dirt up around it. This is a gourd. We got a little rain a few minutes ago, not much. This one doesn't have anything coming up in it, but let me tell you what it is. Cucumbers. Yep. There's a tomato. Look at that. There's 2 tomatoes. I'm waiting for them to get bigger. Here's 2 more. 1, 2. And over here, think those are zinnias. We'll find out. We'll find out about it. Okay. Now, someone was asking about my lamb quarter that I was growing. This is where I this is where I pulled it up. This is a weed that is not my friend because it has burrs on it later on. Spiky burrs that gets all over my doggies. But yeah, this is the lamb quarter. And I was talking to people about the way that the back of it is a grayish, well, white color. And sometimes the very center one has the gray or white on it. It looks like powder, but feels like wax when you touch it on the back. Feels like wax. Okay, let's see what else we got growing. This, Mama always called these raggedy britches. She called these raggedy britches. They're going to bloom here in a little bit if the morning glories that are in here will leave them alone. You can see that was the morning glory seed. Mama loved her morning glories. Yeah, that's what's happening.